you know, totally took me by surprise. So hang out with me for just 5 minutes and this video will make your Maui adventure better. I guarantee it. So I'm in Paia, in Maui. So I spent 2 days enjoying this beach, up and down this stretch. It's really amazing. Usually I have the whole beach to myself like this. And, you know, it's wild, it's really raw. It's like, it's really amazing, you know? I really like this place, Paia. Be sure to stop here on your road to Hana, or even if you're just stopping for a day at the cruise port, make your way to Paia and hit this beach and just walk up and down it. Get off the tourist track and find this place, yeah. So I began my adventure both days at Hohokipa Beach, right here in Paia. And by the way, Hohokipa translates in Hawaiian to hospitality. Surfers have been coming here since the 1930s, almost 100 years, and it's considered the #1 place to windsurf in the world. This very beach, yeah, right here. So I got here about 10 o'clock in the morning, 2 days in a row, and I just got up here at the lookout and I just perched myself and watched the surfers for a couple hours. I mean, it was just awesome to get a bird's eye view of this for a couple hours. And then after that, I made my way down to the beach where all the turtles are. And then, so, you know, it's just awesome and it's not crowded. I just couldn't believe how amazing this adventure was. So I learned apparently about 70 years ago, this whole area was completely destroyed by a massive tsunami about 70 years ago that just wiped everything out here. And then it was rebuilt back, and then the hippies arrived in the 60s and 70s and kind of laid claim to the village that now is. And it's got a bohemian feel to it. The village is very cool, lots of cafes and boutiques and shops to hang out. I loved hanging out here. So I don't know what the population is, but I can tell you in the time I was here, there were more sea turtles on the beach than there were people. That's no joke. And so really cool to see these massively huge sea turtles all over the beach. Baldwin Beach, like, it's amazing here, and like, I'm the only one here. You know, it's just unbelievable. This is something that, you know, totally took me by surprise. And I also learned that, like, Willie Nelson lays claim to this place, you know. He has been known to sort of pop up in the local pub and saloon and just start singing unannounced. So, you know, who knows? But it's definitely got a good vibe here. I just found all these meandering little paths that lead to one beach, then to the next beach, and just goes on down the coast, and really chill, really quiet, really remote. I just felt like, I don't know, I just was in awe the whole day that there was like little to no people here at all. And it was really like my own place, me and the turtles, of course. But I don't know of many places I can say that I've ever been to like this. No one here except me. Amazing. Look at this, huh? Today it's Joe's Beach. So if you're walking along and you're just looking out at the water and you're not actually paying attention, these turtles just look like huge boulders. And I actually did see one guy walking along, not even noticing these turtles, because they really do look like boulders if you're not looking for it, or you don't really look closely. And so yeah, if you're here, if it's a boulder, look a little closer. It could be a turtle. So many people arrive to Maui on a cruise ship just 20 minutes away from here. They pack themselves into these excursions at $200 a person, 12 people per van, and then they drive this 10-hour drive all the way down the coast, winding around, and they are packed in with other people, and they call that a fun day. I don't know. And they drive right by here, and they don't even stop. And so I would encourage you to consider just taking a taxi cab from the cruise port to here and just do this and just chill. Or even if you're renting a car, don't just drive by this place. Stop here and enjoy it because it's overlooked.